piaceva, io non
Questo è
sono
quello.
Venga, salta. Muy bien. No queda otra que bañarte, chica. ¿Qué tal?
The evening drips like honey, oh so slow. A saxophone whispers where shadows go. Gentle piano paints the twilight's hue as cobblestone sighs beneath our shoe. The books are sleeping on the dusty shelves with stories of lives and forgotten selves. echoes the footsteps of an endless day. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful wanderings of all we know. The drizzle dances softly along the street. Its rhythm beneath the tender kind that lingers in the heart. A whispered question hangs, dearest muse, with answers wrapped in the reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful wanderings of all we know. Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down.